So some rapid antigen tests, not all of them, but some of them we're aware contain a preservative called sodium azide. And this is a highly toxic substance, but it's only present in very, very small amounts in these rapid antigen tests. So the likelihood is that in larger animals like a big dog, that symptoms would most likely be self-limiting. So that means they wouldn't need medical attention, but they would experience symptoms like low blood pressure. The risk is a little bit higher when we look at smaller animals or animals that might have gotten into a few of them. So it's the buffering solution that comes with the rapid antigen tests. So with that in mind, we don't have a lot of research on the safety of this chemical with animals, but we are aware that in humans it can cause a range of symptoms if you were to drink a whole bunch of it, which obviously we don't advise people to do. So basically it's just making sure that we're keeping those things out of reach just in case there are health consequences.